Hello friends, it's me Zarina, your friend from Malaysia. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great practicing the phrases that I have taught so far. Well, this video is another one of the small video chunk for each of the greetings and probably the final one. Not of the lessons of course, but of this greetings unit. Today, we will learn how to say good night in Malay. Good night in Malay language is Selamat Malam. Selamat Malam. Again, this phrase is a combination of two words which has its individual meanings. Let's start to know them, shall we? Selamat means safe, secure. Petang means night. Off we go to the manner of pronouncing Selamat Malam. If you remember from the previous lesson or I Learn Malay Unit 1, notice that I pronounce se, not si or say or se. Pronounce la as in la la land, and mat you may clip the T sound doing away with the sound like this, mat, or you can pronounce the T softly like mat. Pronounce ma as in ma in mama. Pronounce lam like I pronounced it. It is because English words that have lam in it tend to be pronounced differently than our pronunciation of Malay's lam. For example, Lambert. How is it? It is easy, right? Alright, let's practice this greeting. As usual, I will say the phrase of Selamat Malam first, and there will be a few seconds of silence for you to repeat the phrase. Let's start. Selamat Malam. Selamat Malam. Selamat Malam. Selamat Malam. Selamat Malam. Selamat Malam. To whom do we wish Selamat Malam? We normally greet Selamat Malam to anyone familiar or unfamiliar. Personally, I rarely wish Selamat Malam to my closest family or friends. It is likely because we seldom use this greeting towards each other. Other Malay families might wish Selamat Malam to each other before they sleep. However, I find that my family members tend not to use it. But I do wish Selamat Malam from time to time to my younger nieces and nephews when I put them to bed. Younger here tend to be under 12 years old. When do we use Selamat Malam? We can use it after sunset and before the sunrise, but it is generally used before we part our ways at night, or when we put the children to bed, or just before we go to sleep at night. Want to practice speaking Malay language? The easiest way is to get someone native to the language to assist you. If you are interested, you may contact me on Preply for an hour lesson to practice speaking Malay and to improve your pronunciation. Well, today's lesson ends here. I hope that this lesson helps. As usual, all the links mentioned in this video and for the transcription are updated below in the description. Sampai jumpa lagi.